This Aipas e-bike is absolutely amazing to get. It is very affordable compared to the rest with its full specs.
Whether you're commuting, exploring, or just want an electric ride that's powerful, comfortable, and compact,
this bike weighs 60 pounds, so it makes it very portable. You can put this in the back of your car, trunk, and the back seat.
This Aipas A2 Elite might just be your next ride. The A2 Elite is equipped with a 750 watt rear hub motor that packs at 1000 watts, giving you serious torque up to 55 Newton meters and a top speed of 28 miles per hour. Combine that with a 48 volt Samsung battery and you're looking at up to 62 miles of range with pedal assist and around 35 miles on pure electric mode. This isn't just about power. The A2 Elite is built for comfort. You've got 3-inch wide fat tires, a hydraulic front suspension fork, and a large leather saddle, all working together to absorb bumps and keep you riding in comfort. It also comes with Shimano 7-speed gearing, so you can switch things up depending on your terrain. It folds down in seconds to a compact 33 by 20 by 31 inches and weighs about 59 pounds, including the battery. You're getting a backlit LCD display with USB charging, 5-level of pedal assist, and half-twist throttle.
You got the horn.
There's even cruise control for relaxed riding. And for safety, you've got front and rear LED lights and mechanical disc brakes with 180mm rotors that provide solid stopping power. With a 350-pound payload capacity, it's also great for carrying gear or passenger with added accessories.
So overall, I love the way it looks. You can use this backside over here to put an extra seat for your child or just to carry things. I love how it's foldable and you could just carry this anywhere if you just have a car, if you don't have a bike rack. I love how fast it goes and how strong it is. Everything about it is awesome. Use my discount code MYUNG at aipasbike.com.